Hi, this is Mike Wagner. We've just released a new Omniverse kit extension, the Part Dropper. It helps to create filled material containers for your digital factory twin. So, how does it work? Just activate the extension from the Extension tab. First, we create an environment for our container. Then we choose the actual container. We are using here containers from the Omniverse Content USD Physics sample pack. You can download it from the launcher. Here we got our container. Now we have to choose the part we want to drop into the container. We adjust the scale, adjust the amount, and drop it. It will drop the amount of parts we've specified and stop then. And that's about it. You've got your filled container. You can export it to an arbitrary location and use it in your digital factory twin. Thank you for watching. If you have liked it or have suggestions, please leave a comment or visit our websites at epolog.ai or synktwin.ai.